Welcome students. Today we will learn how to solve a quadratic exponential type question using the following laws of exponents. The first thing we want to do is get our bases the same. We've got 9 to the power x plus 1 and 3 to the power x. We can write 9 to the power x plus 1 as 3 to the power 2 raised to the power of x plus 1. Now we further simplify. Let us write the full expression. 9 multiplied by 3 to the power 2x minus 10 multiplied by 3 to the power x plus 1 equal to 0. We notice a common term, 3 to the power x. We can let 3 to the power x equal to k, and subsequently 3 to the power 2x will be k squared. This is after squaring both sides of the equation. Now we have 9k squared minus 10k plus 1 equal to 0. Here we can factorize using the AC method, or we can use our calculator. I'm going to use the AC method. Therefore, k is equal to 1 over 9 and k is equal to 1. Now this is not the solution. Remember, we let k equal to 3 to the power x. So 3 to the power x is equal to 1 over 9 and 3 to the power x is equal to 1. 1 over 9 can be written as 3 to the power minus 2, and 1 can be written as 3 to the power 0. Remember this law, a to the power 0 is equal to 1. Since our bases are now the same, x is equal to minus 2 and x is equal to 0. I hope you learned something new. Thank you for watching. Bye.